Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS font size. The CSS font size property sets the size of the text. Being able to manage the text size is important in web design. However, you should not use font size adjustments to make paragraphs look like headings or headings looks like paragraphs. Note that. And also, always use the proper HTML tags like H1 to H6 tag for headings and P tag for paragraphs. The font size value can be an absolute or relative size. Absolute size sets the text to a specific size, and it does not allow a user to change the text size in all browsers, which is bad for accessibility reasons. Absolute size is useful when the physical size of the output is known, and the relative size sets the size relative to surrounding elements. And also, it allows a user to change the text size in the browsers. And note this right here: if you do not specify a font size, the default size for normal text like paragraphs is 16 pixels by default. So anytime you specify like 1 em in your document, definitely you are specifying 16 pixels. So I'm going to show you how all this works in deep detail so you can be able to follow along easily. Please be aware of this. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.